In this video, I will show you how to add space between icons in the dock on your Mac. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. To add space between icons in your dock, just follow these simple steps. Begin by pressing Command and Space bar to initiate Spotlight search. Type Terminal and press Return to open it. Once Terminal is active, input the following command and press Return to execute it. I will put this command in the description below and just copy and paste the command. After executing the command, you'll need to refresh the dock to implement the changes. Enter the second command, which is kill all dock, and press Return. You'll now observe a space created to segregate your apps on the dock. Customize the position of the space on the dock by dragging it according to your preferences, similar to relocating an app icon anywhere on the dock. If you want to add more space in your dock, just repeat the process. Run the first command again and run kill dock command. You will have another space in your dock. Now, if you want to remove the space, just drag the space outside the dock until you see remove from dock, or just drag it to the trash bin. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.